Nolina, agrowplants.org, also known as bear grass. So this hibiscus succulent, it's perennial evergreen. It's used for ornamental plant, and it's drought tolerant. It can grow in a variety of climate, desert, Mediterranean, subtropical, or even temperate climate. In hardiness zone will be from 5 to 12. If you would like to buy it or perch, there is a link below, link in the right top side, and if you perch it, it's a donation for this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's really important for this channel to grow. So leaf color green in a spear shape. Some species can be green with blue. It's blue with imagination, not really blue. And the flowers are white to yellow. Flowers are very small, but it's growing in big clusters of in a beard shape. Except this, in order to grow it, you need well-drained soil. You can start to grow it by seeds, cutting, or plant. Plant, of course, it's the easiest way. You can start by daughter plant, and it's not must to start by this, but it's really easier than to start by seed. It's very slowly, especially when it's young. So planting season will be in spring in hardiness zone of 5 to 7, spring to summer in hardiness zone of 8 to 10A, spring to autumn in hardiness 10B to 11, and all the year in hardiness zone of 12. When you plant it, just be aware that it requires well ventilated soil. This is the most important things for this plant, and also good drainage. Major pests are the mealybugs, but not really effective, especially when the plant is mature. Pruning season can be all year. Usually it's just for cutting the dead leaves and blooming stems. But if you have a rotten part of the stems, you need to cut it, and sooner is better. Size of the plant will be from 2 to 4 meter, and it means 6 to 12 feet. In the right condition, it will be still slow growing plant, as it requires small amount of water, can grow with average amount of water. Do not water it, and let it dry between watering. It's really important because if not, you might cause some rotten roots, and this might kill your plant. Light condition will be from full sun to half shade, and you can also grow it in a container. If you choose to grow it in a container, be aware that as long as the base of the plant need a lot of place, it's not the root, it's like a huge ball there that a lot of time it grows mostly under the ground, so it needs a lot of place. More place you will give, bigger it will be. Be aware, if you will keep it really really small, the plant will stay small and will grow very very slowly. Another thing is, when you grow in a container, be aware that it needs to be well drained, so better to use like in the end of the container, in the bottom, gravels, lava rocks, or pebbles. And just to use, maybe you consider to use a cactus potting mix and not a regular potting mix. It's better, but possible just regular potting mix. Blooming season will be from the summer to the autumn. It will take a while before it will bloom. It can take even 5 years or maybe more. If you want to grow it by seeds, it's possible. As general rule, sun, better to use a potting, to use in a pot to plant it, than to use cactus potting mix. It's much better. Important that the soil will be well ventilated and even sandy a little bit. And the good drainage, it's really really important. Except this, better sow it in the spring, possible in a different hardiness zone at different times. So check in the website growplants.org, and also if you choose to plant it, be aware that it needs a little bit moist soil, but do not overwater and don't let it dry. It's mean like keep it lightly moist will be the best, and it's take usually germinate for fresh seeds from 4 to 8 weeks. Might take longer, but this is the usual. Except this, it's easy plant to grow with a different kind of structure. What is nice that a lot of times the ball of the plant, the one that mostly in the ground, if you manage it well, it grow outside and it's create a beautiful. I don't know how to explain this shape, but a big ball, and from this grow just a plant. So this is beautiful, and this is something to consider to grow. And if you want to grow it, of course, don't forget to follow the links. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course, purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy, and come visit us again.